Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Ali Sultan and I am student of Rehan School Foundation Level F at Islamabad campus. Today I am share my review of the TEDx talk, my philosophy for happy life by Sam Bun. TEDx talk is very inspire and teach us how to live a happy and a meaningful life. Or no matter what challenge we face, Sam Burns was born with a rare medical condition, but he never let it stop him from enjoying life and flowing his dream. One of the most important lesson I learned is that happiness come from attitude is not our Christianese cra- scientists instead of focusing on a problem same encourage us to focus on the thing we can do and the opportunities we have. He shared three simple ideas for living a happy life. Accept yourself and stay positive. Surround yourself with people who support and encourage you. Follow your dream and never give up even when life becomes difficult. This this talk remind me that every person have challenges, but with courage, hope, and determined, we can overcome them. We should be thankful for what we have and make the best use of every opportunity. I also learned that importance of family, friendship, and helping other are positive. Minded and strong relationship can make life happier and more meaningful. Overall, Overall, I found this TEDx talk is very motivational and inspire. I thought me to stay confident, appreciate life, and always believing in yourself. I recommend everyone to watch my philosophy for happy life. Become it give a powerful message about growth, graduate and living life with happiness. My name is Ali Sultan and I am student of Rehan School Foundation Level F at Islamabad campus. See you next time.